Here's a very helpful app to cut video parts in between on your iPhone. Remove unwanted video part from video, then share directly on social app, or save to your Photos app. Open this free video cutter and merge your app on iPhone. Download it from the App Store or scan this code to get it on your iPhone like this. Once downloaded, allow permission to access all photos and videos from the permission pop-up. Select the video from the second option. Split, cut, share, and save. Select the video from the gallery, browse the video, and import it into the app. Select and choose. Now, select the part you want to keep. Once you choose it, tap on Split and Add. Repeat the same steps. Don't select unwanted parts then. Review all video clips using View All option. Play all clips before you merge those parts. Now, go back and tap on Export at the top right corner to save the video by removing the part from between. That's it. Don't forget to like and share with friends and family. Leave your comment for more helpful tips.